Hi everyone, welcome back to ProSeller. Now you must be wondering, what is the need for automation for sending out emails to your customers? Let me tell you that most of the customers view emails from Amazon sellers as spams. Thus, to convince them to take the desired action, we need to create customized email campaigns. Automating campaigns through ProSeller will help you get higher conversions. You can always try new content or use our preset templates. You can also try new subject lines so that the customers are inclined to open more. You can also A/B test your campaigns for timing and template to know what has a higher conversion rate. You will be able to determine whether the customers have opened and clicked the email. Doing all this manually is a tedious task, and as your business grows, this becomes even more difficult. Thus, ProSeller can help to automate the entire email process for you, thereby removing any guesswork. Today, I will help you learn how to set up your campaigns at ProSeller. For that, you first need to log into your ProSeller account, which is this is how your dashboard would look, and then click on the campaign section. Now, before setting up campaign, what is the most essential aspect of an email? As you must have guessed, content is the key. The structure of the content must be in a manner that will interest the reader. After years of experience, we at ProSeller have set up some high converting templates that you can use. Just go to the email templates. These are some of the high converting templates that we have set for you that can be easily used by you. Please note that these cannot be edited. However, you can also set up a new template, keeping it in accordance to your brand voice. Our preset templates can be easily used for review or feedback, even to send an order shipped notification, a returned product email template in case a product is returned. But if you would want to set up a new template, you can easily do that by clicking on Create a New Template button. You need to give the template a name depending on the reason for what you are setting up the campaign. For example, if this is a template for a review, please name it as a review 2. This name is only for your reference so that you can use it for any of your campaigns in future. Now choose a subject line that will be compelling enough for the reader to open. Always remember that even if the content is great and the customer does not open the email, all your efforts will be drained. So make sure you have a compelling subject line. For your reference, I'm going to choose as your opinion matters to us. Moving ahead, depending on your brand voice, you can set up your campaign. In case you want to insert in your logo, all you need to do is click on the Import Logo button. You choose the file which has your logo and click on the Save button. This will automatically save your logo file. You can use our various placeholders that will help you set up the email template. If in case you want to set in your logo, you click on the logo image or the section where you have saved your image. Moving further ahead, you can even choose other placeholders, which would be the order number, the order date. Depending on your need, please choose the placeholders. I'm just showing this for your reference. The product name. Now, the most important aspect of any email template is your CTA. So you can either choose a feedback URL, a review URL, And the most important one is the 5-star review URL, which with the product image. Now let me show you how this looks. You can always choose any of your orders and have a look of how your email template is going to look. Since I've not selected any image, so it says no image found, but if you save in, it will be your logo here. The order number, the order date, the product name, the feedback URL, which is leave us a feedback, the review URL, which is leave us a review, and review URL with the product image, which has 5 stars, wherein the customer can easily leave you a review. Now, these leave us a feedback and this leave us a review will take the customer to the Amazon page where they can easily leave you a feedback or a review. Moving further ahead, now that you have understood all the parameters of an email template, you can write in the content that you would want. Make sure the content is good. It should not be very long and lengthy so that the customer would just not want to read further ahead. Once you are done, click on the save button and your email and your template will be saved. Now that your template is ready, you can move on to the campaign section to set up your campaigns. At ProSeller, you can set up 4 types of campaigns: the general campaign, A/B testing campaign, follow-up campaigns, and ad hoc campaigns. Please refer to our other videos to understand and set up each of these campaigns. The A/B testing campaigns will help you A/B test your email templates and timing, which will help you understand to which is the template that is working better or what is the time at which the email open rate and click rate is better. This helps to remove any guesswork in your campaigns. Follow-up campaigns are set up in case a customer has not opened and clicked your emails. Searching for that is a manually would be a very tedious task. So we will help you set up campaigns wherein you can send emails to those customers who have neither opened nor clicked on your previous campaign. Ad hoc campaign is a campaign which can be set up to send emails to your customers of your past 30 days. Now moving to your campaign section, you can create a new campaign. The campaign name is for your reference, so it would basically be for the main reason you are setting up. Suppose if you're setting up for a review, you can name it as a review. In case it's an order shipment confirmation, so name it accordingly, but this is for your reference basically. Moving further ahead, campaign type. Custom campaign type would actually have a customer type wherein you choose your all customers, your new customers, or returning customers. Since it's always easier to choose all customers so that you don't miss out on anybody. Fulfillment would be whether it's a fulfillment by merchant or a fulfillment by Amazon. Please select all, which makes it easier for all the campaigns. Moving further ahead, this is the product and brand. You need to pick the product and brand. So select your brand and click on search button. You will have a list of all the products under your brand. You need to choose the products for which you are setting up of the campaign. In case it's certain products, you can just click on them. In case it's the entire range under the brand, just click on this icon here and all your products will be selected. Please ensure you select your products for which you are setting up the campaign for, as it is the most crucial aspect. Moving further ahead, the campaign scheduler. This is the most essential aspect of a campaign. Depending on the reason for your campaign, you need to set up the event trigger. This will be the main reason after which the campaign goes into live. In case you are setting up of a campaign for a shipment confirmation, then you choose the trigger point as after order shipped. In these cases, you can also choose to send instant messages so that there is no delay in the timing which you have set up and the email is sent out instantly as we receive the API from Amazon stating whether the order has been shipped. So once you select on an instant message, you don't need to select the timing and or the days, and the email will be sent out as soon as the API for the product has been shipped, or for any other reason that you have set this up for. It will be sent out instantly. The next trigger is after order is delivered. Then after order returned, after order confirmed, after a negative feedback received. I will be moving from down to top just to make you understand. In case you want to send out an email after a negative feedback is received, this becomes most crucial so that there is no delay in you responding to the negative feedback. As you know that response time is very crucial. So if you set up this campaign, as soon as you receive a negative feedback, we will be able to set up the campaign, and the campaign will be triggered and the email will be sent out to the customer. After order confirmed. In case you want some essential parameters or some essential details, you can set up the campaign after order is confirmed, and as soon as the API is received, an email will be sent to the customer. After order returned, again, depending on any particular reason why the order has been returned, as soon as the API is received that the order has been returned, you can set up a campaign and the email will be sent to the customer. Now, the most crucial event trigger, which is after order is delivered. I'm going to select that. Include feedback received order. You select all. Whether you have received feedback earlier or not is not important. So you can select all. Now, after the order is delivered, in case of fulfillment by merchant, we presume 5 days after the order is shipped, API is received. This way, because we do not have the exact date of delivery in case of in case of a fulfillment by merchant. Now, after the order is delivered, you can choose in the number of days you would want to set out the campaign for. For example, if this is a review campaign, we can select up to 2 to 3 days for the customer to use the product or for any other reasons, and then send them an email. We can choose in the time which we think the customer would be able to open the email better. There will be a higher response rate. Depending on that, we can choose in the time. However, to remove any guesswork, it is always better to set up A/B testing campaigns to determine what is the right time and what could be the right template to send the emails to your customers and have a higher conversion rate. Moving to the next step, you can also choose the number of days, the days that you would want. So you can choose all days so that there is no time delay in or any of sending of the email campaigns. Moving to the next section, which is the email content. Now, since I showed you that how you can set up your templates, you can easily do that. Selecting of the template, you can easily do that either by choosing any of our preset templates or the template which you have set up. So depending on your need for the campaign, please choose the appropriate template. I'm just choosing this for your reference for the time being. Moving further ahead, manage coupon is a separate section which we will be able to discuss in another video. So kindly just move to the next section. This is the finalize your campaign section. You can always send yourself a test email. So you click on preview and test. This is how your email will look like. We can choose an order ID to see how our email template will look like to the customers, or you can send yourself a test email by typing in your email ID and sending a test. So this is what we have chosen. Moving further ahead, all you need to do is make your campaign live. Once your campaign is live, depending on your trigger points, the campaign will be set into active mode, Thus, as soon as you receive an order and once the order is delivered, depending on your trigger points, the campaigns will be made live. You can see your campaign here, and whenever it is scheduled, it will be half an hour before the scheduled time. You will be able to see the scheduled emails in the email junction. And once the emails are sent, they will also be seen in the sent emails in the email junction. Always remember that we are monitoring the emails, and half an hour prior to the scheduled email time, we will recheck on all the orders in case there is a returned product. And suppose you have set up an email template for a review or a feedback, those customers will not be sent the emails. There will be an automatic blocking of emails there. Thus, I hope you understood how to set up your campaigns. We at ProSeller would like to take the load off your shoulders with proven techniques and greatly improve your email campaign results. So register with us and get 1 month free trial. Thank you for your time. We hope you become a pro seller with ProSeller.